How to fix Instagram filters not showing. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open Instagram now, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage now, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop and click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to go to your Play Store, update your Instagram if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.